Hello, hello, hello. Guess what arrived today? Da-da-da-da. Finally have my physical copies. And what that means is that it's time to draw some names out of a hat for those people who were kind enough to do beta reading and ARC reviews for me. If you'd like to have a shot at getting a signed copy of one of these books, feel free to join my Discord server, link down below. I'll be doing another draw at the end of November. If you'd like to get involved in the second book, that's also the place to be. Okay, let's draw some names. Yay! Ivan. Ivan is on YouTube as well and makes amazing music. Do check out the interview that I did with him in the information cards. Corvus. Corvus was one of my original fantasy readers and I met him in Guy's server. Megan. Megan is a friend of mine from way back when, and she was actually instrumental in the alteration of the prologue. It was she who suggested doing a prologue that focused on the death of the previous Duke rather than on the current hero. And those are the 3 people of my ARC reviewers who are getting signed copies by me.